Hello my friend, how are you all and welcome back to the Khan Trader channel. A lot of people are asking me to provide signals, so those who want kindly join the pocket option via my link which is provided in the video description, and minimum deposit $50 required. When minimum 20 people join via my link, I will provide free signals to them in my private telegram channel. Okay, so today I am sharing you uh, a new strategy which is match with my Hugo's way, or which match my secret strategy. So let's start. uh, an indicator I'm using for this moving average and stochastic oscillator, fractal, and rate of change. Okay, the setting is the moving average is period 10 to 50. SMA style it green. I am choosing green, you can choose whichever you want. 2px, save. Fractal period I'm changing to 7, and style, and do not change anything. Save. Stochastic oscillator setting 14 to, I am always using many time is 20, and rate of change is 14 to 25. A simple strategy is this is the moving average. See, it's uptrend. Okay, it's going up. Strategy is when the in the uptrend market touch this moving average, and rate of change showing to the oversold condition. Okay, and it's going up. Okay, and it's in the bot condition, the stochastic oscillator in the bot condition or oversold condition, then we have take to trade for above for 3 minutes. Okay, and against the, if the downtrend channel, so we take the trade for lower, like this touch here, and fractal shows to high of the market, so it's going to down for some time, so here to take the for lower 3 minutes. Okay, so I'm choosing the highest pair. Match with this is my secret strategy, which is Hugo's way. So I am sharing the screen. I opened the Hugo's way channel in the second screen, and first screen is the pocket option, which there is I am opening the pairs. I am opening here. So finding a moment. I took the trade here lower for 3 minutes because moving averages shows to the downtrend, and stochastic oscillator is overbought condition, in rate of change also it's a bought condition, and there is the uh, showing to the Hogu's way. There is the resistance, so it should be go down for the weak support area. So let's see the result, what's happened here. There is a win here, and the last moment it's make the huge red candle. So I will uh, I won here. So find the another moment. uh, I took the trade AUD here for down for 3 minutes because there is the uh, moving average shows the it's a downtrend and touches it and go down, touches and go down, touches and go down. So that's why here is the touch, and it should be go down because a fractal is showing there it's a high, and there is a stochastic oscillator is in a bought condition, and a rate of change also shows in the go down. So let's see the result. See, there is a huge points to win, and there is this and I'm zooming to this area, showing to there is the resistance line and touch, and going to the this level. So find another moment. I took the trade here lower for because it's a huge downtrend. Moving average is showing to the going down. Stochastic is in the oversold condition. Rate of change it's some above, it's mean it's go down because it is in this oversold condition. There is the in Hugo's way, there is the support line, and it should be break because there is a huge downtrend. So let's see the result. See the result, and you have to you there is showing this red candle like this, which how many fluctuating there here, because there is the support line. Okay, so in the moving average showing to the go down, and there is the huge down. So that's there is the taking the rest. Okay, so here, so I pretty sure it's go down and break this support line. Okay, So that's why I took the trade for lower, and there is the retesting, and I think we take the, I think not. Okay, okay, let's finding the another moment. I took the trade here lower for because it's touching the moving average, and here is the highest, but here is the lowest. It okay, but it it should be break. Uh, this time is verified resistance support. It should be break at this time, because there is lot of stacking in this area, but the moving average, I have confirmation by the moving average it should be break verified support. It's go down for some time, so that's why I took the trade here for lower for 3 minutes. So let's see the result. And there is the stochastic oscillator showing this over when the near the pot condition, it's showing to the go down, and it's also there is showing to the down, and moving average it's showing to the go down. So that's why I took the trade here for lower. So let's see the result. See, here is a clear win. Okay, and there is see this area, this example you have to verify the this area. So it's when it's break and close this area. So this candle, it's a green, it's going up, it's going up, it's want to go up, but there is the support line. So near support line or near resistance line, it's not be staying there. Okay, not staying there. Close, it go down, suddenly go down, close, suddenly go down. And if the timer remaining in the candle closing time, so it's go up, touch, and go down and close there. See, and it's start it's go, it's a red green candle for down, for then it's up, then down and close there. Okay, near the on the resistance line and on the support line, it not should be there. Okay, it's a couple of seconds stay and go up or down, up or down, no, not staying there. Okay, so that's why I took the trade here for the help of the moving average, okay, and fractal and stochastic oscillator and a rate of change. So that's why I pretty sure it's at this time, because it touch not breaking, touch not breaking. So that's why I pretty sure by the moving average it should be break here for some time. Okay, uh, so if you like my videos, so subscribe my channel, and join pocket option via my link, and I will be provide free signals on my private channel, telegram channel. And thank you and goodbye for the until next video.